Introducing the 2021 Cadillac XT4. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 55,000 miles on the odometer. The Cadillac XT4, the luxury, technology-rich crossover designed to meet your individual driving needs in agile style. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: heated steering wheel, wireless Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, wireless charging station, navigation system, keyless entry, sun, moon roof, heated driver's seat, satellite radio, premium sound system. You don't have to sacrifice luxury to get efficiency. Have it all in the XT4 crossover.